Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
What's up, bro?
What's up, my dude?
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. As always, can we start with introduce ourselves?
My name is Matt.
My name is Andrea.
Gisela.
It's Aran.
My name is Lea.
My name is Indi.
My name is Juju.
My name is Andy, and what's your name?
My name is Fajar. Thank you for asking. Thank you.
That's it.
So, if you happen to face a condition where, let's say, a lecturer give you a task,
Yeah.
would you like to call your friend first, or I'll done it by myself?
I got it by myself, but later.
Oh, so you prefer to do it when it is near the deadline?
Yes, I'm procrastinator.
So you're a strong person, I guess. Is it?
Yeah. Perhaps.
So,
I have no idea.
let's say, if you rate yourself 0 until 10,
Yeah.
what number you?
7.
I guess, so he is an extrovert. That's my answer. Thank you. Okay, so do you play any social media app like Instagram, Twitter, or even YouTube or etc.? What is it called?
Well, I use Instagram and Twitter, but I mostly use Twitter because it's way more fun.
What do you mean fun?
Well, you can see people's thoughts in it where they just express whatever going on in their head.
So do you like to give a feedback with their thoughts?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes, or is it often?
Well, not that often, but yeah, maybe.
Okay, so let's compare. Which one is way more interesting for you? I mean, do you find your mutual on Twitter is way more fun with your compared with your real friends?
Well, I think it's more fun for my Twitter friends because they basically are strangers and I really want to get to know them.
So my conclusion is you often to make friends in Twitter. Okay, so my guess she is an extrovert either. So that's my guess. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, do you know what?
Do you what?
Do you know what?
No, I don't. Is it supposed to be a pun or something?
I mean, I was gonna joke, but you take it way more. Blown.
Go on. What am I supposed to say so you can go on with your joke?
Here, your name. It
Yeah.
just reminds me with anime called Juju.
Okay. I watch Jojo too, so let's handshake. This is awkward as I'm sorry. No swearing. No swearing.
If you happen to face a condition where your friend asks you out, do you the one choose the place or your friends did?
Most of the times, sometimes if I ask them where should we go, but if they say Manut or whatever it is, then I'm the one who tell them where
So
it is.
you play with them often?
I used to hang out often, but
You used to hang out. Okay. So
no, but I hang out often too, most of the time.
until now.
Maybe?
Okay, so based on this answer, I can make a conclusion that he is an ambivert.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, here I'll give you a very quick question. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor?
What?
Do you prefer indoor or
For what?
everything?
Everything. Indoor, of course.
Also you prefer indoor. It means you like private things,
Mostly.
mostly private things. So just make it quick. She is an introvert.
Thank you.
Sup?
What's up, Solly, man?
Sorry.
Yo, what's up, man?
Okay. So here, I'll make it quick. Do you play any sports?
Yeah, I play sports.
Which one?
The long duration sports.
Alright.
Yes.
So I'm the same with you.
I'm the same. We're the same.
Yes, we are the same, man.
Oh, okay.
Mine?
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So do you often to play sports?
Yes, almost every day. But since I broke my hand, I do no sports.
Even in this pandemic?
Yes, even it's pandemic, I train every day.
Okay. So what sport? I'm sorry.
Actually, I like to do basketball, but since I live in an apartment, I cannot play basketball, so I do gym maybe.
Gym.
Yes.
So you did by yourself?
I do it by myself.
Okay, so my guess is he is an ambivert. Okay, so I'll give you a very quick question. So, do you often to ask help to your friend or your friend ask help to you?
My friend asked help to me.
Why? Do you feel like you are so way more useful?
I don't know how. I don't know too why my friend always ask help to me. But maybe because I always say yes to them.
Do you often make a solution?
Yes. Maybe.
Okay, so in your opinion, do your friend feedbacks are good towards you?
I don't know.
Just make a guess.
I guess in my opinion is yes. I don't know.
Okay, if she is a useful person, then she is an, let's say, extrovert.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay,
What is
Andre.
yours?
My name is Fajar.
Oh.
Okay, so do you want to make it quick?
Yes, let's make it.
Okay,
not
so
waste
my
time.
okay, so my question here is, do you play a mobile game? I mean, any game, either it's PC or mobile.
Yeah, a lot. I like mobile games.
What kind of the genre?
Sometimes multiplayer and sometimes I just want to be alone and like single players.
Single players.
Single player.
Okay, so if you are in a match, during a match, you prefer voice chat with your teammates or just chatting all the time?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What do you mean?
Yeah, sometimes I like to like flame my teammates too. And sometimes I just want to shut up.
Okay, so single player and just want to shut up. Then he is an introvert. Thank you.
Alright.
Do you live in Surabaya?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just make it quick. So, my question is, do you like to hang out with your friends?
Sure.
So, do you do it often?
Kind of. Whenever someone asks me to hang out, I
So, if no one asks you, then you are not?
yeah.
Or you are just can ask them to join your?
Sometimes I ask them if they want to, but
Okay, so what kind of place you hang out with your friends? Is it a cafe or mall or
more often in a cafe.
in a cafe? Okay, so do you like coffee?
No, not
Okay.
really.
I don't care, never mind. So she is an extrovert. Totally. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'll make it quick.
Okay.
If you are make a new friends, which one you prefer? Do you want to just straight call it or just chatting?
Usually I use chat, but usually I chat them because I ask them to like go into a cafe or something.
So you are just ask them to hang out with you?
Yes, I usually hang out with them.
Okay. So do you do it often?
Pretty much I do it often. If I can do it every day, I will do it
Every day?
Yeah, I will.
Literally every day?
If I could, but I could not. So.
Okay, so just based on her statement, I can make a conclusion. So he is an extrovert person.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Actually, I have no idea which is mine, but I tend to be an extrovert. Yes, you're right.
Well, I'm actually an introvert, but I love to meet new people and be friends with them.
Well, I believe there is no pure extrovert or introvert, but I believe that I am an extrovert because I do my work outdoor most of the time and with people.
So based on the personality quiz, I'm an introvert.
So, based on Fajar's guess, he was right. I'm an ambivert because sometimes I like to be alone, sometimes I like to be outdoor.
Okay, so Fajar is wrong. I'm an introvert, but I don't know why people doesn't believe in it.
And Fajar said about me is introvert, and that is correct.
I tend to be more of an introvert, but I do like to hang out with my close friends.
Yeah, I'm an extrovert. Thank you.
EDSA.